Alright, I received a phone call which interrupted the video. As you can see, I'm still at 2,062 miles, still at showing temperature of 163, so, and the Jeep's not starting. So, I'm gonna keep playing back and forth, trying to take the brake off, roll back a little bit. Brake on. Well, this time it's not gonna let it reset. So if I leave the car for hour and a half, it'll do whatever it does and reset. No, speak of the devil, there it is. Okay, so the transmission temperature just jumped up to 213. It finally has settled itself, and the Jeep has started. End of story. And just to prove that the Jeep has actually started and I can move, I'm gonna back out.